What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we're back at it tonight. We got some things coming on here. Market's actually bouncing back nicely right now. I got to admit, the market's looking better than I thought it would. We've been really a pretty dismal Friday almost over the last probably 4 days or so. And that's kind of always been a downer when the market's down like that. But here we are. We're back at it today. And we're going to see how this comes out to tonight. Right now, the market is down. The hour just turned over about 30 minutes ago. So the hour marker is down just a little bit on some of these cryptos. But the most part, XRP is actually looking positive back at 218. Hedera is still sitting around that 14 mark. We're sitting about 22.5. This thing actually continues to climb up. It's actually up 18% over the last 24 hours, which is fantastic for Hedera. I mean, obviously been killing it. We got some things to talk about. There were actually some good announcements coming from the White House today, which is fantastic. So that's awesome. And I do want to give a shout out here because we got some new members coming in here. We got Masha, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you so much. What's up to everyone over on TikTok? I am streaming on TikTok for the first time in like 90 days because I was pretty much like not banned, but I mean I had some red flags over there for streaming, so that was kind of crazy. But what's up, Boroshido, Jimmy, Giga, good to see you. Badass Cat, what's up, man? Nick Johnson, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Nick Johnson gifted you a membership, please say thank you to him. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. What's up, Jason, over here on TikTok? Good to see you, man. Jason Wong's in the house here. We got XCN's pumping. Yeah, there's a lot of things out here actually doing pretty dang good right now in the markets. I got to admit, things are looking pretty damn good. Chameleon, what's up, bud? Good to see you guys. Will, just thought when Austin comes on, he's already through some of his talking. Can you pause for like 30 seconds? Yeah, I could probably put up like a beginning screen. That's kind of one of those that I could always put up there. So, yeah. Ian, what's up, man? My ultra journey. Good to see you, man. Big B's in the house here. If you held through the dip, you would go. Yeah, I think a lot of people held through the dips here. Like I was saying with Hedera here, Hedera is climbing nicely, dude. 22.42 right now. Up literally 18% on the 24-hour mark. That's huge, dude. 24% in a 24-hour period is a huge swing. Hedera continues to climb up here. Like I was telling you guys with XRP, XRP is starting to come back nicely. It's sitting at 218. Yes, it's not back to the $3 that everyone hopes it's for, but you know we are climbing back nicely. The markets are back up. Bitcoin regained 85,000. I think that was kind of a psychological number out there that a lot of people were going to get out here. Chat in Austin. Chat, what's up, Grab Gravy? Good to see you, man. What's up, A-Team DJ Jose? Good to see you, dude. Appreciate you being here. I heard Ripple unlocked 1 billion tokens. Yeah, that was they've unlocked 1 billion tokens, and again, hopefully they put them back in, or at least a majority of them they put back into escrow. That's kind of the goal here. Tom Savage, what's up, bud? Love HBAR. It's mooning right now. Dude, if you bought the dip on that stuff with HBAR here, you can see HBAR sitting at 22.4 right now. This thing obviously dipped down to roughly $17 about a day ago, right around 17.99. And a few, like basically on Monday, I think it was Monday. No, it was on Tuesday. Tuesday it dipped down to 17.5. So yeah, anyone that bought in on that, dude, is sitting good. Do you believe the bull run's over? No, dude. I don't even think the bull run's. I mean, the bull run started, but the bull run's definitely not over, dude. And I'm actually going to share a lot of things here that we're talking about here. I think we're just beginning. David Sachs actually just came out here and announced that the President Trump will host the first White House crypto summit on Friday, March 7th. I think that's going to be huge for crypto. It's going to be huge for Bitcoin. It's going to be huge for the entire industry. Look forward to seeing everyone there. So you have a lot of people out here that are working on this, and I think that's really good for crypto to have a summit at the White House to discuss the path forward for crypto. Will that actually pump the markets? I don't know, but it's pretty cool to sort of see. I appreciate you answering the question, by the way. Hey, no problem, man. Appreciate you asking it. Do you believe the end is here? No, the end's not here, dude. We just started. Everyone. Everyone's so crazy. Benjamin, thanks so much for gifting one membership to the A team. If Benjamin gifted you that membership, please say thank you and appreciate that. Giga, what's up, man? We need the theme song. Oh, you want the theme song before we hit it? All right. Planet alignment is bullish, dude. That's what I was actually looking at. That's why I was a little bit late. I was looking at the planet alignment outside with the kids. The girls are all, loving it right now, so they're all doing a bunch of research on it right now. So that's why I was a little bit late because I was actually looking at the planet alignments just before I went live. So Tony Punch, what's up, bud? Good to see you, man. Seiko's in the house. Seiko. Toby, what's up, man? Fun farm just starting. Heck yeah, dude. Good to see everyone here. Yeah, cool story. Trump coin pumping hard. Is Trump coming back? I'd have to take a look at that. But this is good positive news right here coming out of the White House when it comes to the summit side of it. Loving that right now. This is obviously, I mean, this is when it gets crazy. Is when USDT starts printing money, and they printed 1 billion USDT. That's actually bullish. That's a bullish signal for Bitcoin and things like that. And so Tether actually just printed $1 billion worth of USDT. So some people think that that's, like, how are we printing money? But yeah, every time that USDT starts to print money, it seems like we actually do pretty well. So that's a cool thing to see right there. Also, yeah, unfortunately, we had the worst February that we've had in the last 4 years. The last time we had a negative February was back in 2020, and then back in 2014. So 2014, we had a minus 31% in January for Bitcoin, or in February for Bitcoin. That was in 2014. And then the next one was minus 8.6% in 2020. And then here we are in 2025 at a negative 19.74%. So only 3 months out of the entire existence of Bitcoin, we've actually been in the red. And here we are in the red right now. So unfortunately, we are ending probably February in the red here. No questions asked about that. However, you can go back and look and see that the last 4 months for March have actually been super bullish for Bitcoin. 2021, we had almost a 30% gain. 2022, we had a 5% gain. 2023, we had a 22% gain. And 2024, we had a 16% gain. So March is probably setting us up maybe for potentially having a good March, but we'll see what happens here. Hey, I thought you quit TikTok for a second there. Well, I had strikes against me, Mike. And so I didn't want to stream with strikes against me. So I decided to just wait it out and let them go away. And so they did. And so here I am. So I'm just going to stream talking to you guys. I'm not going to actually stream my charts. I'll show you charts and stuff like that, but I'm not going to probably stream them. So we are going to get paid? I think so. No pump XRP below 2. Flipping page. I hope not, dude. I hope not. We're gonna stay bullish on that side. Thanks so much for all the follows over here. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for gifting as well, Mike. Appreciate that a ton. Yeah, it's kind of weird being over on TikTok. I haven't been on TikTok in a while, dude. I think we're gonna have a run. So here's what I got to show you guys. So here is the 2017 altcoin season. We had a pre-rally shakeout here, which again was what I showed you guys before. And then over here, we had obviously another shakeout on the curve. So here we are on this curve right here. How this works out, I don't know. But, usually we end up in a bullish, nice little movement up in terms of bullishness here. Again, this is 2017. They're not showing the 2021 chart. But, I mean, there are some similarities as to what is happening right now. So we do have a shakeout here, which, again, I said was a bear trap. I think a lot of people here are super bearish on where we're at. But overall, I think that we have some upward mobility to get to here. How many trillions we actually put on the books, I don't know, but it is nice to sort of see. Killawell, thanks so much for the $5 super chat, dude. I only buy green. I only sell red. What am I doing wrong? Just give me, I love you. We're going to Mars soon. Hell yeah, dude. We are going to Mars actually. I'm hoping here. What did I think Elon said we're gonna occupy Mars in like 6 years. I think he said that it was 5-6 years. I think it was the goal. Or maybe 3 years or something like that. I can't remember what it is, but that's crazy, dude. Where you been hiding the past few weeks? I've been on YouTube every day, man. Cram. I haven't gone live on YouTube or on TikTok just because of they're holding everything down. Austin, what do you think about HBAR and Swift going to? What do you think the HBAR and Swift going to do with XRP? Good question. I don't know how it's going to work out with XRP. It is cool to see that Swift has sort of moved to HBAR. Again, Swift is not going to get replaced, but they are going to probably work with. Obviously they're working with Hedera. They came out, they literally said that at the HederaCon. You had someone from Swift come out and talk about that and the importance of that. So that's actually really big for HBAR. I mean, it's probably why HBAR is almost back to 23. I mean, we're pumping right now. HBAR is actually pumping really hard right now. I mean, up 18% in a 24-hour period is huge. And just to kill well, thanks again for the super chat, man. I'm holding strong. In hindsight, I should have sold at the 101 XRP at 340. Yeah, hindsight 2020, Adam. It's hard to always say, right? It really is. You know what I mean? That's why it's so important to have a long-term bag. You know what I mean? So that you feel comfortable selling, any other position that you have. So I went to HederaCon. It was awesome. Oh, that's pretty cool, bed dude. You went there? That's badass. HBAR is looking good today. Moon Lambo, you funny, dude. Only gone to Mars and crypto, bro. That shit ain't real. I hope if we go to Mars, that'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. But it is kind of cool to see this. We're seeing that. We're seeing this run right here. And the one part I love right here, this is why I got really bullish today. And this is actually true, is that right now we haven't seen this low. We haven't seen this low and since the FTX fiasco. So you can see that Bitcoin is extremely oversold. It is oversold it's more oversold than it was when FTX collapsed. And if you go back and look at FTX actually went all the way down to $16,000. So Bitcoin went down to $16,000 after the FTX and Terra Luna collapse. And we're actually more oversold now than we were then at that point. So this just goes to show you how much, like, how bullish that can actually be when you actually follow the white chart here and sort of see where we're at. Bitcoin 45. No way, dude. No way. Do you think it's going to go lower than where it's at? I really hope not, Haley. I mean, I'm trying to stay bullish with it. I'm trying to stay, positive, and I like what's coming out here. So one more dip on Bloody Sunday, and it's bye. You think so, Milton? You think so? Where can I pick up HBAR? You can pick it on Coinbase, pretty much everywhere except Kraken, I think. Kraken and Robinhood are the only two exchanges out there that really suck with the HBAR thing. So much respect, Austin. People is headed lower. It's long from down. Are happy to invest more. Don't fight the tape. We'll see what happens, man. Like I said, if it does, it does. That's why you should have a long-term bag. If you have a short-term bag, try to find your ins and your outs. Try to have more W's than losses, and try to work your way out of a bag if you're stuck in one. That's all I say. I put my hands on my hip. You think we dip? Is that where you're going now, Chad? Wishful thinking, Austin, again. Just tell it like it is. Guys who have a couple of mil invested have stepped out till it hits like a buck. Then something might happen. Don't do clickbait, man. Don't do it. I'm telling you guys. So I think that this bull run, I still stick to the 701 marker, dude. I'm still sticking strong to it, Warsaw. I do think that when we have a run, so the title of my YouTube is 701. I've always stuck to 701. 701 is still my number for this bull run when it comes to XRP. I do think that XRP is eventually going to hit 701. Again, whether you drop to $1, whether you drop to $2, when we do have a run, I do think that 701 is that's kind of my marker, dude. So, 701 might not be everyone's marker. It might not be what people believe, but I think my math, I've done the math on it, and the math that I've done, I'm confident that $7, is something that can actually be obtainable. I think that's actually a fair number for XRP in this bull run. Like I said, some people believe that we're not in a bull run still. Some people believe that the bull run's over. I don't personally believe that. I think that we still have a lot of room to run in this market. I've shown you guys right now where we're at compared to where things are. I showed you guys that this morning. And you can see right now we're super oversold here with Bitcoin. I think that that's actually a really good sign for upward mobility. You can see over here that we have had shakeouts before. I've shown you guys on the charts here before that we've had massive shakeouts before. A lot of us are in the bottom position. We're in this down position here, even on the weekly chart. Like, I look at the weekly chart because the weekly chart is super bullish here, right? So look at the weekly. We're down here. Anytime we're down here and we start to work our way back up, we actually have really, really nice runs. So I hope that we can actually work our way back out of this, even for XRP in the same boat, right? We come down, we go up. And then when the weekly starts to come down, we start to actually come down. And so if we start to recover here, I do think that we're going to get our next legs here. So I think, again, people think that we're in a bear market coming up here. There's no way we're in a bear market. So yeah, some people can think it's clickbait, but I've stayed true to my 701, dude. 701, that's just hey, Warsaw, that's just my personal belief, dude. 701 is where I think it's going to go in the bull for sure. I definitely think that we might get a dip on Sunday. But it does happen. I'm buying more. Heck yeah, dude. Thank you so much for that's awesome. How about the Niners? That's good. That's why I find it as much news as information. How will this affect XRP? XRP's been super strong through this whole thing. I mean, we obviously dipped down here into the 190s again. Haven't created a new low. I mean, if you actually pull back and look at the weekly chart is actually it's still bullish. It's still a bullish looking chart for the weekly. I truly believe that. Does your math, because that math hasn't been matching lately in crypto? Well, my long-term math has. My long-term math has worked out fine. We're talking long-term here, dude. So I've already done the math here. We've talked about previous lows and previous highs, right? How do you adjust how do you determine where the highs are going to be in a bull run versus where the lows are going to be in the next bear? And I've always told you guys that when we go into a bear market, our lows are going to be to the previous high of the previous run. And that's shown over the last three cycles, going into 4 cycles. We've seen that, right? So I did my math based off of where these things are right here. We know that roughly about XRP is probably going to lose about 60% of its overall value after the bull run. So again, if you're at this position right now, 60% away, downward on a 60% loss would put us anywhere from that. It's actually showing us about $8.39 if we got down to about a 60% loss in the market. And usually altcoins actually lose more than that. So usually altcoins lose about 80% of their value, anywhere from 75 to 80% of their value, even more. So, this is kind of maybe even it could be more than that. It could be more than this, actually. It could go down further. So, which means that it could go even higher. But, it depends on how you want to look at it. I say more. What's up, Austin? What's up, Paul? Good to see you, dude. Thank you so much for being here. Can I ask, I arrived at that number, by the way, I'm XRP Maxi. So all I did, so if you look at Bitcoin, if you go back and just look at Bitcoin and you look at how the runs have been for Bitcoin, like I said, when you go back and look, every time that we have a bull run, then when it goes into the bear, we always hit the low is always the height of the previous bull market. And so even last bear market, we hit the bottom or the top of the previous bull market, which was in 2017, was right around 19,582. Our low for the last bear market in 2022 actually went down to like 15,666. So we actually dropped a little bit below that all-time high in the previous bull. And so if we know that the previous bull high was 68,000 for Bitcoin, then we're saying, okay, this next bear market that comes up here, we're going to probably be anywhere around, 60,000 to 60, or 68,000 to 65,000, somewhere in that ballpark. We're going to probably hit the height of the previous bull. So right now, if you're looking at it, dude, that we're literally only, I say only, but I mean, we're 18% away from the previous height of the last bull market, which would be the low of this bear market based off the previous bulls in the previous bears. So when you start to look at that on an XRP scale or on any other scale, you say, okay, usually crypto loses a large percentage. Like Bitcoin lost last bear market, last bull market, and into the bear, Bitcoin lost roughly about 76% of its value, give or take, right? 76% of its value, which is a lot, right? Dipped 76%. We know that altcoins dip about 85%. And so basically all I did was just take XRP and I just went back to its previous runs. And, unfortunately in 2017, in 2021, we don't really have a good height for that one because it got cut off at the knees for XRP. XRP got cut off the knees because of the SEC. So we actually never really got to see a height of where XRP will be in 2000, what it was going to be in 2021. So I'm just basing the last height of this, which was back in 2018-17 bull run, where it got up to $3.40. And so I'm basically saying that if we dip down to the previous low of the previous bull run, that means that the low of this next bear market for XRP should be around $3.40. That should be roughly where the low should be for XRP. So what should the height be? If the low is going to be 340, then you say, okay, well, it loses anywhere from about 70% of its value, right? We know that it loses anywhere from 70 to 80% of its value. So, I mean, if you want to use that as the math, I mean, 65% of its value puts it at $10. $10, if it loses 65%, puts it at 340. So you're like, okay, well, maybe it has to be more. I mean, that puts us at roughly almost $12, right? And I'm not saying this is like, again, 100% of it, but we say, okay, it loses about 70% of its value, maybe more. So it could go up higher. It could go up higher depending on where we're at and depending on use case and all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of where I formed it up here. Again, these are just my opinions, my math. I'm not saying that everyone has to agree with my math here. This is just kind of what I'm going off of here. And I've always kind of stuck to that and nothing's really changed for me. So I'm sticking to those numbers that I called a long time ago and I haven't budged from it, dude. To be honest with everyone, I haven't budged from it at all. Thanks so much for the follow. So you're just using, I'm using my own. Yeah, exactly. Realist. I mean, I'm just going off of like common sense when you're looking at the charts here. I mean, and that's the same way you can look at it from Bitcoin, right? We're just doing guesstimates here. It's not like it's like guaranteed, but we're trying to get in the ballpark of where things are going to go. And for the person that said that I haven't actually hit my numbers, I've been pretty damn close to hitting ballpark numbers, dude. At least for XRP, I've been pretty damn close. I said $2. I said 225. I said $2. It dipped down to 196. So yeah, I didn't get 100%, on the dot at 196, but I've been saying $2 and 225 for months, and I've stuck to it. I've had orders in on those for a really long time. Everyone here on the 18 that's seen me stream can attest to it for the most part. Can attest that my 225 and $2 has always been on the table for me. I don't think I've ever swayed away from those for the dips of XRP, and we've actually hit those every single time. Multiple times we've hit those. And the $2 marker was exactly where we hit just recently. It came down to 195, and I bought at $2, and right now we're sitting at $2.18. So I mean, that's actually a pretty good swing trade right now. Austin helping us figure out, if you don't trust, then yeah, it's all good. It's all good, man. Some people like it, some people don't, right? It's all just putting numbers together and trying to make a projection. You're just making a projection, right? That's all I'm trying to do, is just make a projection for where I want to put my money and how I want to put my money. So Brushless, hey, what's up, dude? I appreciate that, man. Do you think institutions are waiting for the bear market? No, they're not going to wait, dude. They make so much money off fees. It's insane, dude. They want people to buy now. They make money off the fees. They make money off of people buying right now. So like anyone buying Bitcoin and things like that, putting their money into there from their 401ks, they're making money off of these fees. That's really what it comes down to. So, I think these ETFs and institutions doesn't matter. They want to come out there and put as many ETFs out there as possible so they can continue to make fees off their their customers. No, I haven't changed my stance, because I baked in my ETF filings for HBAR. I kind of baked in that, dude. So I think the $2 for HBAR, I've said it for a long time. I still stand by that. It's a 10x from where it's at now. But I mean, I was saying $2 when it was at 40 cents, right? So, I've been calling $2 for a long time on HBAR, and if it goes above $2 on HBAR, it's even better, right? Just like if it goes above $7, I'll be super stoked for that. 384 is my number. I was saying 385 is my number for I was hoping for Q1 of 2025 was going to be hitting 385. That's kind of my trigger, and I was trying to anticipate that we were going to have that the SEC was going to actually stop the lawsuit with XRP, and it's not looking likely for some reason. It looks like XRP is going to linger out. So I was kind of baking into my $3.85 here in Q1 was that Ripple was going to have their lawsuit dropped, and they were going to be potentially having an ETF dropping in Q1. So that's kind of how I baked in the 385, but so far it hasn't really come to fruition there. But we still have one more month left of Q1, and maybe we have a really, really good month, and we'll kind of see what happens here. Yeah, 385 is kind of where I was saying for Q1. Hazy. That was a typo. It was a joke about the math not mathing while the market. You've been on par. Oh, okay. I was just saying I don't take it personally. I was just saying maybe my math wasn't mathing. I didn't know who said it. I just read it, dude. But yeah, no, I appreciate it. It makes for a good explanation, like I said, because a lot of people are probably like, a lot of people are probably thinking that, Ian. To be honest with you, people were like, dude, I mean, how was he even using his math on this, or like what was he doing? So yeah, no, I appreciate you saying that, because sometimes it needs to be said. Because again, just because I've said it before in previous streams doesn't mean that everyone was in that stream when I said it. So thank you for saying that. When I first came into this chat, I thought you guys were talking to me for a second, confusing. Oh, you're talking about, okay, Austin, I get you. What's up, Austin? Numbers are spot on. Appreciate you guys, man. Holding it down for me. The old man Jenkins, what's up, dude? Thanks so much for the $5 super chat. Won't ETFs keep XRP price from dropping hard after the bull market? Well, we saw what happened with Bitcoin, dude. If they start selling, I think it's going to drop, right? But I think ETFs kind of, you don't want to like drop too much, because what's going to happen is it's going to discourage customers. So that's why I don't think like Bitcoin is going to find a floor here, and it creates opportunities for other people to enter into Bitcoin. So you want to create new entries for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin just keeps going up, people are not going to eventually put their money in, because it's like, dude, this is some people are like, well, it's already, I could have got it at $90 or 90,000, and it's at 130. So like, some people are discouraged by that. So what you do is you try to create new opportunities. So that's kind of what I feel a lot of these companies and institutions do, is they try to make entry points for customers and things like that are like, okay, this is a good dip right now. We're down 28%. This could actually be a good buy. So then they have new money that flows into these ETFs. So I think if institutions start selling, we saw it. We see right now this whole drop right now with Bitcoin going down to 28% down. A lot of this in the last week has been because of institutions selling. So I think that if you have institutions that are selling, it's going to sell. I think they're going to sell no matter what. So Austin, look up Sean, has a good question. Sean Holland, what was your XRP? Sean Holland, let's see. I thought XRP's whole goal was to be integrated with Swift, but Hedera got it first. Is that bearish? No, I think it's not necessarily to be integrated with Swift. I think that they're trying to. I don't think that they're even trying to. I think that they're trying to do their own thing. To be honest with you, I don't. It'd be cool if they integrated with Swift to some degree, but I think what they're trying to do is just create. I think they're trying to create their own thing. If you ask me, dude, I feel like XRP has a chance to just do its own thing. I think and that's why the SEC went after them, was because of a Swift, right? They weren't working with Swift. They were just doing cross-border payments, and people were using it and seeing how low the fees were and how fast it was, and it kind of undermined Swift. And I think the XRP could probably undermine Swift, right? Do we actually need Swift? I don't know. Is it going to go away? No, but I mean, can there be a competitor to Swift? Absolutely. I mean, Swift is kind of the monopoly. They kind of own the monopoly of transferring money from country to country, or you're talking governments to governments. They kind of control all that, right? So I think there actually could be someone coming in to compete with them, and that's maybe where XRP goes. Benjamin Carter, thanks so much for the $2 super chat. Austin hits the shit he saw, and I get it within the ballpark. Like I said, I'm not going to say 100% of the time that I hit exactly, dude. I don't hit exactly. I get close, dude, and sometimes luckier than others. But I mean, this $2 call was really, really close, right? Every time we got to these $2, I mean, $2 has been pretty spot on. 225 has been pretty spot on. On some of these swing trades that came through. I mean, I kind of like looking at our previous charts here when we go back to the 12 hours on these. I mean, this 225 hit so much on this chart. It was insane, dude. We made so much money off of 225. It was nuts. This was 225 buy that we did right here. Absolutely went crazy, right? Came down again, hit 225, went crazy, dude. We hit 225 down here. Right here, we hit 225 and it went up roughly. And we sold this, right? We had a swing trade here. Boom, it went up. We sold it for almost a 50% gain, dude. So I put $10,000 in, made $5,000, right? You come back over here. We bought this one again at 225, right? Let's go back to this 225 marker. Boom, we buy it at 225. This thing went up almost 25%, made $2,500. We sell, we move on, right? And that was all in the course of like what, 2.5 days. So this 225 marker has been a real big winner for, at least for me, it's been a huge winner, right? I bought at 225 over here, and I actually dipped down. So what did I have to do? I had to buy at $2 to average my cost out on that. So right now I'm sitting on average cost of like $2.09, I think is where I'm at. And now this price is sitting on $2.18. So, up in the green right now. And we're hoping that this continues to rally at least back up to the 230 marker right here, the 238 marker, which has a huge line of, this will probably be resistance here at the 238 marker on XRP. And so 238 is kind of the resistance, but I mean, 238 is kind of where I want to be, right? I mean, if I got in at 209 on an average right here, right? And it goes up here, I mean, we're talking a 13% return, and I'm hoping that happens here in a couple of days, right? And so now I have a 1,300% return. I'm making $1,300. Actually, it's more than that. It would be more than that. It'd be close to. I mean, I put a pretty decent amount, so it'd probably be close to like maybe almost $3,000 or $4,000, give or take. So yeah. I mean, if this happens in a couple of days, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cash out, take my 13%, and walk out the door, dude. And then we'll let the rest ride. We'll wait for the next recovery. It'll probably come back down to 225 again, and maybe at that point we buy the 225 up again because it's right there in a nice little purchased area, and we move forward. So I mean, there's so many things you can do with XRP. XRP has been like one of the easiest charts to follow if you have some patience. So did I see Legal in the house here? Is Legal in the house here? Legal, what's up, buddy? Dude, I haven't seen Legal in a minute, dude. Good to see you, bro. Appreciate that. Yeah, smash that like button. We got the Border Patrol in the house here. What's up, buddy? Hey, Austin and fan, we love you. Hey, Alex, what's up, bud? Are we live? Yes, we are live. We are live. So yeah, those are it over there. Appreciate everyone over here on TikTok as well. Sorry. Now all of them, every channel talks about how they are trading it. Starting to feel like that. Ripple screwed retail. I don't know what we're talking about. But yeah, no, we've been trading this. We've been trading XRP. I mean, I've been trading XRP live on stream with people for quite a while. Jen, thanks so much for the $2 super chat here. We got America to the rocket. We got America rocket thumbs up. I appreciate that, Jen. Hell yeah. XRP HBAR XLM. Heck yeah, dude. How do you think XRP will go up this weekend? We'll have to monitor it. It's kind of been a rough week. It's been a rough week. The last 24 hours have actually been positive for XRP, but we'll have to continue to monitor it. That's never guaranteed, but I hope it gets back above the 225 marker. Again, I'm already in the profits. I wanted to get above 225, and we'll probably see some resistance here at 230. 235. But again, that's a nice little return. Putting all my extra funds right now into avocado toast dinner. Hell yeah, dude. Why is retail interest so low? I think it's just scary, right? Austin, is there also market manipulation in stocks? Well, no, not like this, dude. There's regulation on that. You know what I mean? There's so much regulation on the stock side. I hope not. I hope not. XRP. And the thing is, you got to set your stop losses. You know what I mean? Don't be afraid to set a stop loss in here so that you don't lose out on your profits. Make sure that you put a stop loss in so that you don't lose profits if you're in the profits. If you're doing a swing trade, again, teach our own on there. They completed their orders and their profits, and they'll reinvest in the pool. Will grow up. Yeah, Austin, I'm with you, dude. It's 100% how it is. Andreas, thanks so much for the $3 super chat, man. Appreciate that a ton, dude. Thank you so much. Or super sticker. That is how a bull run works. 100%, dude. Please, easy with the spam. Yeah, have a great night. YouTube Big B, appreciate you being here, man. As always, I never heard it right, but I understand Trump is a decrypto president. What is the decrypto president? What is your price prediction on XRP long term? 701, dude. I think 701 is kind of where my trigger has been from the jump, dude. From literally from the start of this. So I've said 701. Originally, I said I wanted to 10x my investment. I bought XRP back at 30 cents. Wanted to originally 10x my investment, my long term bag, and we hit the $3. And I could have sold for my 10x. I said I wanted to hit it at the 10x marker, but I ended up not selling it. Right? I was like, you know what? We hit the 10x at that $3, and I was like, you know what? Now that was almost 3 years ago when I made that decision, and now 3 years later, it's kind of like, there's no reason to sell it because getting the 30-cent marker for XRP is not going to happen again. Like we're not going to get there. Who are you talking about, fan? I don't know who you're talking about. So yeah, that's kind of where it's at, man. And I think 701 is kind of my number that I've stuck with. See you all next time. Crypto, would it be smart to purchase more XRP right now? No, it's tough to say. It's up to you. Austin, remember that back in January? Oh yeah, you remember back in January? Yeah, dude. Austin, oh man, Jacob, thanks so much, man. Austin, 60% of the time, it works every time. I like it, dude. 60% of the time, it works every time. Heck yeah. Appreciate your $199 super chat. And that's why Brad has never personally promoted XRP, but always promoted Ripple. Brad always talked about, I had to do a stop loss on an option. Just set the price below it. All you got to do is just set the price below it. I do a stop loss on so I do a trailing stop loss. So I'll put it behind it. So if it sells off, it hits my trailing stop loss. That's always what I've done. Nick, damn, bro. Thanks so much for gifting 50 memberships to the A team. If Nick gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 50 new members, welcome to the A team. Wow, dude, 50 gifted memberships. Nick, thank you so much, man. I really do appreciate that. That is crazy. Those gifts are awesome, and it gives people opportunities to get into Discord. So that's fantastic, man. Thank you so much. Think we break 225? I sure hope so, dude. 225 is kind of like my number, dude. Yeah, 225 for sure, Silverado. When is the bull run going to happen? We're already in the bull run, dude. November 4th is when the bull run started, man. When in doubt, zoom out. I say it all the time. Dude, even if you bought back before the bull run at 50 cents, dude, you're still up like 4x. You're up like 4x on your investment right now. That's huge, dude. In November, December, January, February, dude, you're 4 months in and you're up 4x. Dude, that's crazy, dude. That's a really, really good investment, man. In 4 months, you 4x your investment. You back finally on TikTok? What's up, Ali? Good to see you, man. Yeah, I came back. I got my little band, like what is it called? I got my check marks or whatever. They your strikes, you get striked for doing things. So I got those lifted. A-Team Kings. Big Nick in the locker room. Slayer, thanks so much for the $2.99 super chat. Any thoughts on Beam? We have a lot of dude, Hogzilla. I don't know enough about Beam. I know that's probably there for gaming, and there was a whole sell on nodes out there. Hogzilla, who's a big, he's on the A team here. He bought a couple of those nodes. He was telling me to buy some nodes for Beam. I didn't actually buy any nodes. It was too quick. I didn't have enough time to digest it. So I ended up not buying it. But I know a couple people here are big into Beam, including him, and I think he bought some nodes, which is pretty badass. You get a membership. You get a membership. Yeah, everyone gets a membership, dude. Make sure your gifting is enabled. Yeah, make sure your gifting is enabled. You got to go into your settings for that. So yeah, and welcome anyone here. I got to look at the T-bone by sticking my head. Oh my God, LL Cool J. Oh, there he is right there. Hogzilla right there, man. What's up, bud? I was just saying that you just bought your Beam stuff, dude. Yeah, people love the Beam stuff. I didn't get into it, but you sure did. I know that for sure. You think the market's going to go down after Tuesday's tariff announcement? It's going to be interesting to sort of see how the tariff. I feel like we're baked in the tariff. I feel like we're baking in the tariffs. Like, just because it gets instituted doesn't mean that it's going to go down. I think that these dips right here are kind of baking in that tariff. That's kind of my belief with it. Again, I could be wrong for sure. Stop loss is made to drive prices down. It's like dominoes. Professional traders refer to as a stop gains. Yeah, we all have our different styles for sure. Six stringer. It's it's just a style. Everyone has their own styles, and you just got to find what's comfortable for you. Is this a Friday fake out? I don't know, Joshua. We haven't had a Friday. A Friday run in quite some time, dude. Like, let's look at last Friday. I mean, the 7th of February was in the green. I see that. So I guess February 7th was like our last green Friday. Let's see. Was there another Friday? No, we've had a couple of Fridays, but I mean, it's been roughly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably 2 weeks we've been in the red for XRP in terms of bad Fridays, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday was in the red. So that was back on February 21st. We were in the red. And then coming into this week we're in the red. We're in the green right now. I mean, technically it's on the charts in the red, but yeah. Beam is AI gaming. Yeah. Have you been trying to find any new projects outside of these? I'd love to know if there's anything else that's been catching your attention. The only thing that I'm invested in outside of this, dude, is the Pure Wallet, dude. That's the only thing that I'm invested outside of any of these top tiers. And this is a new project that came out. It's on pre-sale. And that's just because I think it's a good wallet. But that's the only one, dude, is Pure Wallet on purewallet.ai is the only thing I'm invested in outside of these top tier cryptos. I'm invested in that pre-sale. And I put about like $6,500 into it just because I believe in what it's trying to do. So yeah. I like the wallet aspect of it, and I like the Beam is deflationary. Yeah, I like the decentralization of it and stuff like that. So, what pre-sale? It's Pure Wallet. There's a wallet out there that's for doing a pre-sale. They're like a MetaMask, SafePal type wallet, but it's a different kind of wallet. It has a cold storage built into it. It's pretty cool. And so it's at purewallet.ai, and you have to use ETH to purchase into it if you want. Do you mean 701 for 2025? I just won the bull run, not necessarily for 2025. I think just the peak of the bull. I was get the membership. Don't know who it is. Oh, well, welcome, Marcus. Appreciate you, man. Proof that this is the best community is all the lifted memberships. Yeah, dude. It's crazy, dude. The A team is awesome, man, and the memberships are a badass, dude. And I just appreciate people just always showing up and showing out on the A team, man. Super supportive. The Discord's amazing, and yeah, it's just super cool. Smaller buys, more spread out. Yep. I miss green days. The vibe here is great whenever it's a positive day. 100%, Andrew. I'm with you, dude. Tenfold on that. Sorry for the spam. You're good, dude. If you had to put money on these coins, what would you be, Toshi or XCN? I probably would do neither, bro. I would do neither. I'm sorry. I've been hearing AI gaming coins are going to take off. They keep saying that every year, dude. Every year they say AI gaming coins are going to take off, and they just don't happen. I've been trading for 20 years, buy and hold during cycles, and way to go. I'm sure I've lost 20 grand on leverage. Yeah, dude, I'm with you, six stringer. I've avoided leverage trading just because I'd rather just buy and hold. And I'll do some swing trading here and there on some spot trades, but that's about it. So XRP tokens unlock every month. I should not affect the price unless Ripple sells them. Yeah, that's correct. And they usually save anywhere from 80 to 90% of them. So it's not too bad when you think about it. Toshi's good. Way to lose everything. Good way to lose everything. Where's all the missing people? Appreciate you being the number one gifter out there. That's awesome. You think this is a relief pump? I think that we try to run out of this, dude, and I think HBAR is doing a damn good job of that right now. Like I said, I think XRP is going to continue to work its way out. If we can just continue to have positive momentum, that's all that's mattered. And like I said, I think it's great that we have this coming up on March 7th. I mean, honestly, dude, March 7th is like roughly what is when is March 7th? March 7th is next Friday, dude. Next Friday we should have hopefully next Friday we have some another red day, dude. Austin, will there be another dip? I sure hope not. I sure hope not, dude. I've never seen another channel with so many gifted memberships. Me either, dude. Me either. And one thing I will admit, dude, there's only a few other channels that I've watched out there lives, and dude, like this chat goes so fast. And some of these channels I look at, they got like millions of subscribers, and they got like 4,000 people in the live, and their chat's super slow. And I'm like, how is that possible? Because my chat is so fast, I can't even keep up with it. Over on YouTube, dude, it's insane. I try to keep up, and I still fall like 2, 3, 4 minutes behind. How long is the bull run usually? Probably close to. It could be, dude. It could be. Well, we can just go back. Let's go back and look at the last bull run, dude. You know, they all vary, dude. You can have short bull runs. You can have long bull runs. You know, I think the previous bull, this one was kind of a weird bull run because of COVID. Obviously, this one was kind of a weird one because of that, right? We had the sell-offs because of everything. So this is like one that's really hard to actually like look at. But I mean, for the most part, I mean, the bull run started back here in, you know, probably roughly around September of 2020 as we started to run in the bull. And I mean, we didn't actually start to come down. I mean, I guess the bear kind of starts right here in November. So 2021. So September 20 to November, I mean, you're talking a good 12 months on this one. But this is kind of an anomaly because of it's COVID. So that's kind of hard to say. When we look at this one over here, which is 2016, 2017, you know, you could say that the bull run probably started on September of 2017 and it peaked in December. So you're talking 17 into December. So let's see. So it probably started right around September 2017 and it peaked in December so it went 3 months. And then, like I said, this one was kind of weird because it kind of had a sell off and then a bounce back. So it's kind of a weird one. I don't know if you can really time that one, but for the most part, this probably started in, you know, September, October, and then basically peaked in April. So that was close to like a 6-month period. So anywhere from 3 to 6 months, give or take. And we're saying that the peak of the bull, I mean, basically a lot of us are saying that based off where we're at, the peak of the bull run could probably hit right around August, September of 2025. So, you know, that's kind of where a lot of us are at. Thoughts on B3 base? No, I have no answer on that one. So yeah, Aikisha, what's up? On a cruise ship in the Gulf of America? Couldn't miss the live. What's up, Aikisha? In the Gulf of America? That's crazy to sort of say that. Gulf of America? That's awesome. Thank you for being here. I appreciate that. I hope the cruise ship is awesome. The amount of memberships that came through the last month and a half is freaking crazy. It is. It's awesome, dude. It is awesome. Most of the time I see channels just get super chats. I don't really see channels just gift out memberships. Either do I, Andrew. I don't see a lot of people, but yeah. Every time there has money on the Coinbase call and check your exact amount. My account said 20,800. I called to make sure. Yeah, that's crazy, Adam. Yeah, dude, that's wild, dude. If it's doing that. Yeah, but then you'll never get to the end, dude. I'll never get to the end if I set aside the chat, dude. There's no way. There's no way, dude. There's no way if that happens. I never share the 8 Mile. Most of us are really invested though. Is the American continent? It's the American Austin. Yeah, I'm gonna check my Coinbase account just because Adam's asking me to check it. Everything's looking good to me, dude. Everything's looking really good on my end. So Coinbase is working on my end, dude. Not talking to you, RS Miller, 1,000 people here, and you think I'm talking to you? Oh, you guys are talking to. I'm like, what are we talking about? I'll screenshot and show you proof. Call and check your account. My account looks good, Adam. My account looks good, bro. Yeah. But yeah, that's kind of where I mean, dude, HBAR is honestly just killing it right now. I just switched over to my my Coinbase, dude. HBAR is on a tear. Coinbase is working on my side fine. Yeah, it's working on my side too, dude. ETH is coming up nicely. We need ETH to come back up. It'd be nice if it gets back up to the 26 marker here, which is a nice little fair value gap right here. And you can see that's a really good line of support right here at the 26 marker. So it's good. I'd hope the ETH gets back up there. That would be nice to sort of see. XLM is working its way back up to hopefully hit right around here at the 31 marker. Seems to be a nice little level here with a fair value gap. So we're seeing those. And then don't forget Link, dude. Link actually has a good chance to build back up here. Link is at a shockingly, this is down. I mean, like you're talking 51% on a literally a blue, like a blue chip crypto. Link is down 51% right now, and it's kind of just lingering down there. I mean, dude, this is like a juicy looking a dip for Link as well, dude. It was a crazy fight between Trump and Zelensky. Yeah, yeah, it's been crazy, dude. Coinbase Advance is fine. I got a Coinbase scam email this evening, so I hope you didn't click on it. Yeah, you gotta be careful of clicking on anything that gets sent to you. Do you think the cycle will double top? I don't know if it's going to double top like that again, Andrew. I think that was such an anomaly because of obviously the pandemic and stuff like that. So that's really hard to say. ADA, I think ADA's okay, slow mover. They'll do good. I think their the Bitcoin layer that they're going to be coming out with is actually pretty cool. I kind of dig that. Kudos to ADA once they get that out there. But I mean, we're talking down to 64 cents right now. This thing dipped down to roughly 58 cents. And obviously the cycle high was sitting at roughly 132. So I mean, this thing is down 51% as of right now. So I mean, you're talking a blue chip crypto, top 10 crypto that's down 51% in what I consider still to be a bull market. So yeah, I think that there's a good chance that these things can make a pretty good run back. At least even if it goes back up 25, 30%. I mean, that's such a killer move upward. Yeah, definitely be careful of the scams out there. Don't click on things. Coinbase is out of service. Is it? I just checked my Coinbase. Coinbase is working for me, dude. Yeah, that's next Friday too, dude. So maybe we'll have 2 Fridays in a row. My Coinbase wallet is not working properly, it's showing wrong account, and then it shows assets with no balance. Lillian, the best thing you could probably do is just mirror your stuff. I say it all the time. What did it say? My viewers can't hear me. That's kind of weird. Can you guys hear me over on TikTok? It said my viewers can't hear me. I don't know. Let me know if you can hear me over on TikTok. I have no idea. It says viewers can't hear me. Okay, you can hear me. Cool. I think HBAR can hit $2. Me too. I think HBAR can hit $2. Thank you guys for verifying that. No, I was telling on TikTok that they couldn't hear me on TikTok. Cool. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. What was I saying about the oh no, I was just saying. I just blanked it after they messed me up. TikTok just messed me up. Yeah. I have no idea what the hell I was saying. Sorry. Coinbase just did, or TikTok just did me dirty, man. Oh, I was saying something about Coinbase. Coinbase. Where else you streaming? On YouTube. I'm streaming on YouTube. That's where I'm streaming at. I'm so glad you're back on TikTok, Ali. Yeah, it's we'll see what happens. Dude, it keeps telling me my viewers can't hear me. That is so weird. Maybe I got to come back in, come back out. There we go. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. I think it's the bottom of the bear market. Is this the bull market? We've been in the bull market for sure. XRP going down to the drain in the depths of hell. I don't know about that. How do I accept the membership gift? You got to make sure your gifts are on. I don't think they are banning TikTok anymore. Yeah, we'll see what happens, dude. It was kind of wild. I think I was just basically saying that even if it goes up, 50%, things will be good. But I have no idea what I was saying. On Coinbase outages, we are aware that some users may be experiencing delayed transactions. Oh yeah, mirror your wallet, dude. Lillian, mirror your wallet. So go download SafePal and then take your seed phrase from your Coinbase wallet and upload that into SafePal or a MetaMask and mirror your wallet so that it's if your Coinbase wallet's not working, move it over to a wallet that works. That is working, and you'll be able to see your stuff over there. I don't think they are banning TikTok. Yeah, you were talking about 25% backup for ADA. Yeah, I mean, I think I was talking about a lot of things. So yeah, ADA would be good, even if it recovers back up. Anywhere from it covers back up to even like 85 cents to 90 cents. I mean, it's such a good return. Whoa, it sounds way different over here. Is it better? Is it good or bad, Andrew? I don't know if it's good or bad. Ondo price this cycle. Well, I mean, if you go back and look at Ondo, dude, Ondo is actually a very bullish looking chart. I mean, let's just take a look at Ondo. You got a high to a low to a new high to hopefully a new low, which is a perfect build out for a nice little chart. So hopefully the next goal from this is to actually build up and create a new high. So it's tough to say because Ondo hasn't been through a bull market. So these ones are hard to judge because they've never been through a bull market. So you don't know what the height of these are going to be. You don't know like where people are going to invest in. These are hard. These are hard to judge. But I mean, we know the Ondo's here. We know there's a lot of support around Ondo. So yeah, I could transfer my HBAR to my ledger. Yeah, it's a little difficult to do. There's some videos out there. I can hear you, but damn, I can't tell if it's coming through the phone. Oh, really? That's kind of weird. That's kind of weird. So like it sounds like it's coming through the phone, but not. Coinbase or Robinhood? Oh, Coinbase for sure, dude. Robinhood. I got out of Robinhood after the GameStop fiasco. I really want to buy some green plant stocks. I have money in my Binance account, $100. What if Binance vanishes suddenly? Then you lose your money, dude. I'd take it off of Binance. Well, I mean, it to say it echoes a bit because of the room you're in sounds fine though. Okay, yeah, probably is echoing a little bit. I do got high ceilings in here. Move your funds out of hot wallet into cool wallet. Yeah, Shaman wallet's a good wallet. Yeah, yeah. A lot of people like the Shaman wallet, dude. Reason it's hard for you to keep up with the chat is because you sincerely try to catch as many uh, as possible. Most other channels don't. That's why you got my attention my first stream year. Oh, I appreciate it. I try to catch everyone. It's really hard to, and sometimes I miss a lot of you guys' comments. And I try to keep up with what showing charts and stuff like that. It's quite the juggle. I will admit, it is quite the juggle. Dude, XRP back above 220, dude. All right, I see you. XRP back above 220. Dude, if HBAR hits 23, dude, that would be such a nice gets above 23 would be filthy, dude. For HBAR. Oof. XLM getting above 30 cents, HBAR getting above 23 cents, and then now XRP now breaking through 220 again. Let's see if I can get back to the 225 marker. That's kind of where I want to be at. Just comparing to YouTube where he uses a professional microphone, but here it's fine. Yeah, I do use I'm gonna have to figure out how to like join all these things together so it just makes one stream for all. That's kind of what I need to work on. Aptos is okay. Green eggs and lamb. It's okay. It's not I don't own it. I mean, there's some positivity with it. A lot of people like it. I have nothing negative to say about it. 70K Bitcoin in mind. I can hear everything Austin is casting on the gaming system. Am I really? Dude, that's pretty cool. Oh, all right, Gabe. What's the deal with Pure Wallet? Swoop some of the pre-sale. Yeah, the Pure Wallet. Like I said, the Pure Wallet is just a this is a project that's come out. It'll be the first. It's a wallet built on a blockchain. You can actually send a lot of tokens offline. That's the whole goal. It's the first offline wallet out there, and it's a cold storage on your phone, on your iOS, on your mobile device. So you won't have to carry around extra ledger, like a ledger or any of that kind of stuff. And then obviously they have pre-sale for tokens because the tokens are going to run the wallet, especially if you're going to do like any mining and stuff like that. You're going to have to store the token. You're going to probably have to stake the token to be able to do the mining, just like any other validator out there. Just like if you were a validator for Ethereum, you had to stake your stuff. So same kind of thing here. So if you're going to be mining the Pure chain using Pure Wallet, you're going to have to stake away some of your Pure Wallet tokens to be part of that. Plus it's governance and all that good stuff. And then, obviously if you're using wallets and you want to have no transaction fees, you're going to have to hold the token to reduce transaction fees and or have no transaction fees depending on how much you hold. So there's going to be a tier system most likely that will do that. And that's kind of, again, if you're a decentralized maxi like myself, that's the kind of stuff that you dig and want to be a part of. So that's a new project coming out with new tech. No one has it in this space. And yeah, I've always stuck to that. So trying to find new projects in this space is really, really hard. Ones that are actually building tech, not just, meme coins and that crap. So, when you find one, you stick to it and you kind of dig it, right? Plus it helps that I obviously, helped create the wall interface. So like, I'm a little bit biased because of that for sure. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream, post a chat often. I appreciate you, Cloud99. They're piling up very, very fast. Awesome words getting around. I appreciate you, Tony, man. APT is the only thing that stays green for me other than ETH I've had forever. Okay. It's asking me to verify. That's one thing I don't like about TikTok is they ask you to verify if you're still live. So yeah, is public not a good place to trade? I don't, I don't really know. So I never used public. Why are we pumping BTC so hard, bro? Why are you pumping BTC? Oh, BTC. BTC is good. My wife left me 5 weeks ago mainly due to money. Ouch. I don't know what to say to that. That's kind of a downer. I'm sorry. I don't know. New here, would you like to know how to get in the pre-sale for the Pure Wallet token? Oh, Maui, just go to the Pure Wallet AI. You can just go to the Pure Wallet AI website here. And you can just, here, I'll put it in the chat down below if you want to get involved. You have to have ETH. So just make sure you log in. You can use SafePal MetaMask and you can log in and you have to use ETH to do so. Yeah, just do that. You can go right here, connect your wallet where it says connect wallet. Use like a SafePal or a MetaMask. I use a MetaMask. And you click in here, you can buy your tokens. You can see I purchased, I have roughly 179,177.98 Pure Wallet tokens. So yeah, and there's a leaderboard right now. So if you want to actually add some money to your extra rewards in 4 days, this actually expires and you can be involved in 50,000 Pure Wallet tokens as a form of a giveaway here. You just got to meet the criteria. And you can see there's actually over 10 people that have already bought and met the criteria. So it's kind of cool if that's something that interests you. Dude, if I want HBAR back above the 23 so bad, I keep looking at it. When does the bull run end? We're saying probably August, September could be it. Memphis, let's see, Wendell, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Memphis, Tennessee, new subscriber, 1700 XRP, 1K HBAR. Hell yeah, bro. Appreciate you being a new subscriber from Memphis, Tennessee, dude. That's badass. Thank you so much for sharing the live over here. Yeah, thank you so much. Can you talk about staking? Well, staking is really just about you just put tokens. So like if you're going to do any kind of voting, like governance wise, you got to stake tokens. So tokens can be staked for like anywhere from like 5 to 7 days to vote on governance issues or proposals, and then you stake tokens away to be able to do certain things like. Just like on the ETH network, back in the day when they had mining, you had to be a validator on ETH. You have to stake your tokens to be a validator. And then you make money off that kind of stuff. So no different than like Pure Chain. When Pure Chain drops here in Q4 2024, you'll be able to mine through the Pure Wallet. It'll be a mining capability. So your Pure Wallet, it's a smart mining. And first one that I've known that has something like that. And so if you want to be, mine the crypto, you have to obviously stake your crypto to be basically a validator for Pure Chain. So that's kind of how it works. Guys, you think one more cash? Yeah. Hello, what's up, GS? Good to see you. What's the pre-sale price for Pure Wallet token now? I bought roughly a 1900 Pure. Right now it's up to what is it at, dude? It's a good question. Let's go back to Pure Wallet. I think it's at 4 cents 6. So a lot of us bought it at 4 cents, and right now it's at 4.6. Yeah, 4.6 is where it's at. So, like I said, I hope it gets up to like 8 cents, dude. Like 8 cents, 12 cents, and already be up like 3x on my before launch, dude. That'd be amazing. That would be pretty badass. I will admit that if that actually happens. I got the Air Force Academy in Colorado, and I got me and all my friends into crypto and watching your channel. Oh, dude, that's awesome, dude. The Air Force Academy, dude. Yeah, I used to go down to Colorado Springs all the time. That's pretty badass, dude. Thanks for joining the live. Also streams on YouTube. Yeah, I definitely stream on YouTube. Appreciate you, fan. All right, I'm back on YouTube. What's up, Andrew? You just jumping around. Take a couple hours from Memphis and go often. The wealth will definitely help me deal with all of a sudden. Oh, gotcha. Interesting. Well, I'm sorry to hear that, man. That's rough, dude. Do you read any books? And if so, which ones? The last book I just read was obviously the Mafia Wars. I was just reading. That's the last book I read. It was I streamed with one of the PayPal Mafia members and Eric, as you guys know, Eric M. Jackson. He was the VP of marketing for PayPal. And what was that, a couple weeks ago? I did a stream with him, maybe a week ago, maybe a week and a half ago. I did a stream with him talking about PayPal and all that kind of stuff, because he joined the VP or the marketing efforts. He's part of the advisors for Pure Wallet. So you got the one of the PayPal Mafia members as a marketing, part of the team for the marketing side on Pure Wallet. So that's pretty badass. And that's the last book I read was his book, dude. Before I interviewed him. So yeah, that's kind of, and it's a great book, man. It talks about Elon. Obviously, his boss was David Sachs. He still talks to David Sachs, which was cool to see. So there was a lot of positive, a lot of positive things coming from there. Worked for Elon, all that good stuff. So yeah, it was kind of cool. And to have someone like that on the Pure Wall team is freaking badass. Where are you from, Austin? I'm from Seattle, Washington, Sky. What about ICP? ICP is good. I just don't own any ICP. Pi should double tonight. You think so? No luck accepting membership gifts. Enable connected Discord. Can Pi coin break its all-time high? I don't know. I don't really touch the whole Pi thing. Do you think XRP might sell off again? I think that I'm hoping the tariffs bake in, Jen. I'm kind of hoping that these were the tariff baking in of the tariffs right here. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. But again, we'll see. Saw that stream. You did a great job. Oh, I appreciate that, Alex. Yeah, I don't really do a ton of interviews on the channel, right? So yeah, it's pretty wild. Dude, that would be awesome, dude. If I could talk with David Sachs, I would like to just go on the All In podcast and just hang out with David Sachs. That'd be cool. We can make that happen somehow. XYO, no, I don't have any XYO. I hope we continue to rally, man. Hope we continue to go higher, bro. Looks like HB is going to go over 23 tonight. I hope so, dude. It's sitting here at 22.8, dude. This thing is just this thing is climbing, man. The markets are actually looking pretty damn good right now. Look at that, dude. HBAR is just looking nice, dude. 28 right now. Like I said, XRP is trying to get above this 220 marker. Yeah, that'd be awesome. We'll see what happens. I'm tired. I'm tired of Pepe and Shiba. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are, dude. I don't own any more Shiba, but I definitely own Pepe. Just joining. I have to rewatch this from the beginning later. I know. Oh, hey, what's up, man? HBAR has held on like none other, dude. That's because they've had a lot of positive momentum, dude. We're about to break 23 right now, dude. 229. Damn. All right, HBAR. All right, HBAR. Let's go, dude. HBAR about to hit that 223 right now. Right here. 223 is where we're gonna hit. Every time I hear someone ask about ICP, I'm over here thinking about you talking about the insane clown posse. Is that what you're talking about? You lost a lot over here. I got you, dude. Do we have to be concerned about the head and shoulders? Some people are. Some people believe that as a factor, but I'm not sweating it right now. That last interview was great, though. You turned it into more of a reporter, getting the good news and asking the right questions. I tried. That's kind of what I was. I wanted to read his book. I wanted to understand who he was and all that kind of stuff, and make sure I asked questions, as it pertained to what he did with PayPal and sort of how is that going to reflect with, working with Pure Wallet. I mean, like I said, Pure Wallet coming out here is a brand new tech, and you have to have someone that understands how to market tech. And no one better than the VP of marketing for PayPal, who was one of the original, employees. He was the 27th employee of PayPal. That's pretty crazy. And he's a PayPal Mafia member with Elon Musk and David Sachs and all those guys. So yeah, pretty badass when you start to look at the lineup that he shares. Have you gotten any X? No, I don't got any XYO. Austin, how much HBAR should one own? It's tough to say. I mean, any, I guess. Everything's in the green. It's not that hard to do after these past few. Yeah, it's really not that hard. But HBAR is held strong. Hogzilla, you got to admit, dude. Even through these dips, dude, HBAR has built out really, really really nice. Thanks so much for putting. Thanks so much for sharing the live. Appreciate that. Let's see here. I have just a little. Yeah, that was a good interview. Oh, I appreciate that, Hogs. I just have a little over 2,500 HBAR. That's good, man. I think that's good. Anthony Hawkins, thanks so much for the rose, man. Appreciate you, dude. I set all my buy orders to low on the dip. Only got filled on XRP. Think we'll go for another dip. That's hard. Law bracket. It's hard to say, man. I'm trying to stay bullish, so I want some green days ahead of us, dude. I want to get back to where we were. You think XRP could hit in the hundreds within a few years? I don't think hundreds. No, I think the $30 could be definitely something to strive for sure. I think that's a reasonable number to obtain in the next 3-5 years. B, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much. it's hard to stay bullish with all the negativity with the news these past 3 weeks. I know, Michael. And you just got to surround yourself with people who are positive, dude. If you surround yourself with a bunch of negative people, dude, you'll always be down and feel like crap. So, and again, I'm not saying here that like saying that everything's going to be, green and positive and all that kind of stuff, but just try to find and surround yourself with positive people, dude, because if you don't, in this space, it's going to eat you up and spit you out, dude. So just, again, I try to stay positive, try to look at it from both sides and try to, figure out ways that you can work your way out of scenarios versus always being in the dumps. Like I said, I bought XRP at on this dip right here. I bought it at 225 and it dipped down to down to $1.96. And then I had to DCA my way into it at $2 and work my way out of the position I'm in, So yeah, there's could be some negativity, but I mean, you could always try to find a way to work out of it. So just surround yourself with that. Buying the fear. Yeah, buying the red days for sure. Always keep your composure, 100%. In 5 years, only $30. I'm just saying like that would be fantastic, right? Like I'm hoping you hope more, but I'm just saying like that would still be, dude, that would be a freaking 100x, dude. That would be, I'd 100x my XRP, dude. At $30, I'd 100x. Is that 100x? What is let me see. Maybe it's $300 to be 100x. Maybe that's only let's see here. I had to do my math is probably bad this morning. So yeah, dude, that's 100x, bro. I'd 100x my investment, dude, at $30. At $30 for XRP, I'd 100x my investment, dude. like to me, that's crazy as hell. Like, let's be honest. Like, damn, yeah. If you bought it at 30 cents, and that's where I bought. So, I mean, dude, that would be crazy. So, yeah, my $30 in 5 years at 100x on my investment would be nuts. Crap, that went crazy. Let's see. Yeah, no, listen to GMC every morning. I stay optimistic as hell, but I've been in XRP since 2000. Hell yeah, Michael, that's good, dude. I don't know who GMC is. I don't know who that is, but yeah, I mean, keep listening. If it's positive, then definitely do it, dude. So I agree. I agree with you. I own XRP, ADA, and Doge. You think Bonk and SHIB will go anywhere? Nah, they probably won't go anywhere. They're well established, But I think I'd put my money somewhere else. Austin, I never thought I would hear you flooding XRP. Man said $30 in 5 years, dude. That's 100. It's so hard. That's 100x, man. Like when I think about it, I'm like, that's legit, dude. Like $30, 3 to 5 years, yeah. Mr. Joy Killjoy over here. I'm just here. Let's do here, guys. I know the market cap doesn't matter, but I do like to pull this up and have fun with it. Let's put the price in. Let's just see. Okay, let's just see. Maybe I'm coming a little hot. All right, let's just see $30 here. It's a 13x from where we're at right now. 13x. And if I say it gets to $7, that puts it at what, 246? That's already a 3x. I mean, in 3 years, dude, at 30 in 3 years at $30 would be, I mean, dude, that's really good. I don't know, man. That's pretty damn good. Maybe I'm off. I don't know. Maybe I'm off. Maybe I am off. Keep in mind the exchanges want you feeling down and second guessing yourself. Oh, that's how they make their money, man. They make so much money off liquidating everyone. Sweet. I'm in Northern ID. Okay. Slacknor, you going to Seiko? I totally mind it. Good morning, crypto on podcasters. Oh, good morning, crypto on podcasts. They're heavily into XRP. Oh, nice. They keep updating. Oh, that's cool, Michael. And I didn't know that. I didn't know that at all. Yeah, it's pretty good. I think BTC will go back to 90K, dude. If it does, I mean, that's gonna be sitting pretty, dude. 90K XRP or 90K Bitcoin is fantastic, right? Dude, I want HBAR to hit. I want HBAR to get over that 23 marker right now, dude. I want HBAR to hit that 23 marker right now. XRP 1.5 trillion market cap for yeah, and I think $1.5 trillion market cap, in 3 years, that could definitely, adoption, all that kind of stuff. I mean, you got to play it out. But I mean, I guess maybe that's bad. But I was like, dude, 100x on my investment would be insane. I mean, that's like meme coin status. 100x on that's like meme coin status, bro. Negativity spreads fear. Always stay positive in crypto. 100%. Also, the XRP ledger needs it to be more than $30 to be sustainable. There's a 1,500 transaction per second at 24 hours a day. That needs to be past $30 to manage the inflow. I get what you're saying there. And I think that it probably will. I mean, dude, that ledger is definitely going to have over it's definitely going to have more than that. I mean, you're hoping with the adoptions of, and being able to do cross-border payments with institutions. I mean, dude, you should probably have way more than that. But you got to think they're you're using XRP as the gas. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. I guess I'm shooting for $30. That's 100x. So I'm like, I mean, if we get to $30, it could take, because you got to account for there's going to be a bear market, right? We could be in for a super cycle. And if I'm saying right now, if I'm saying that we're going to hit anywhere from $7 to $10 in this bull run, that means we're going to dip, and then we'll probably be in a bear market for, we could be in a bear market for a year and a half, or we could actually sustain this. Like I said, it could be a super cycle, and we could have a good super cycle, which pushes it more up. It's hard to say. It really is, dude. But you have to account, if we do have a traditional market, we will fall into a bear market for another year, right? A year and a half, maybe a year and a couple months. But yeah, we typically do that, right? We fell into a bear market in 2022. We bumped out of here in 2025. So we're going to probably, if we bump into start the bear market here in 2025, we won't have one until 2027, somewhere in that ballpark roughly. So you got to account for that. That's a 3-year window to get back to $30. I mean, so yeah, I think you got to account for the bear market. So if I account for the bear market, yeah, it could be 3 years before we get to that $30 mark. I don't think that's off. I don't think that's that far off. Yeah, we just saw that 23 HBAR right there. Damn, bro. 23,014. Hell yeah, dude. So this is actually a really, really good buy in the market, dude. You can see my buy down here at 19.4. 19.4 was my buy. I've had that for a while, dude. So this is actually a really, really good return already, dude. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm easily up 18% right now. That's so good. That's such a good buy right there, dude. Damn. And it dipped further. It dipped past that, dude. So what happened was I bought this 19.5 back on February 27th, dude. And the thing dipped, and I was like, shit, dude. It dipped down to freaking 18. I was like, man, that's such a bad purchase at 19.5. And I was like, no, dude, I can't believe I bought that. And then it kept going. I was like, dude, I hope this thing, because as soon as I bought it, as soon as it triggered, it didn't even bounce back, dude. It just kept going. And I was like, oh God. And then now it came back. And so, yeah, that was a nice buy on that one right there. So reverse head and shoulders playing out you're talking about the reverse head and shoulders playing out. I just hope we keep running, dude. Like I said, we'll see what happens. I hope we just keep running back up to this 223. Maybe we get back up to 24, which would be even better, dude. Bought my first batch at 20 yesterday. Hell yeah, dude. Way to go, B. Nice little pump going on. Yeah, 18% pump. HBAR versus XRP for dummies explain. One's more for P2P and one's more for institutions, I think. So that's kind of how they've always played out. Now with Swift in the game, I don't know how it's going to play out for institution, moving money across. It's going to be interesting to sort of see. I don't know if HBAR is going to start, trying to, like I said, I think XRP, they don't need Swift. I think they can do everything on their own, which they've proven, which is, again, why the SEC kind of went after them. So I don't think the XRP needs Swift to be able to do cross-border payments. I think that's been proven. That's, again, why I feel the SEC went after them, was because they were impeding on Swift. And so I don't think that they need them. I think XRP is probably going to be a competitor to Swift, and then Swift needs a blockchain to be able to move things cheap and fast. So maybe Hedera steps in and is that solution. They've already stepped in. I mean, it's already been said. I mean, the Swift person at the HederaCon basically came out and said it. So, but I think XRP is going to do it. It's still its own thing, man. And it's already been proven, tried and true. When XRP hits $30 this year, I'm going to comment, hey, Austin, I haven't seen you in 5 years. Dude, if it's $30 today, if we 100x this year, holy dude, XRP alerts, dude. Oh my God, dude, that would be pretty badass. I would agree that a $30 XRP this year, that would be 100x, dude. That would be insane, dude. Everyone that bought at 30 cents, dude, would be literally like, I don't even know what they would say, a 30x, dude. I mean, like, at that point, I don't even know what I would do. Like I said, I would just be excited if I got to freaking $7-10. But yeah, HBAR 30 will get back there. Dude, 30 would be crazy. If HBAR gets back to 30, dude, yeah, that would be phenomenal if we got back to 30. I mean, shit, if it got back to 40, we got back up to this 40 marker, would be phenomenal, dude. I mean, that would be even where it's at right now. We're talking even at this low, I bought at 19.5. That would put that back at over 100% back. That'd be 100% return on that investment right there. That'd be so much money, dude. Same with XRP. I mean, dude, if XRP got back up to the $3, back up to where it was, I mean, we're talking a 50% return from where this was at. I mean, if you bought this down here and came back up here, you're at a 73% return, dude. That's such good money, man. When you start to think about it, they felt threatened. That's why the SEC went after it 100%. That's why, Michael, they definitely went after XRP because I think that they were definitely taken away from Swift. There was no question about that. Is there a blockchain for gold transaction for Fort Knox? Brandon, that's a good question. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Austin, you're forgetting people don't have diamond hands like you. People will take profits at 10, 22. But see, that's the thing is, you're right, XRP. There's the new people here in crypto just haven't gone through it yet. They haven't. New people in crypto don't go through the accumulation phases that a lot of us do, like you and I. The best way to accumulate wealth in this space is to literally buy during the accumulation phase and just hold. It's the best decision I've ever made. Just buy, accumulate, and hold. I know that sounds crazy. It sounds really hard, but it's tried and true, man. I can attest to it a tenfold, dude. It's worked out. And again, I say it's a Michael Saylor strategy. You just keep buying and holding, buying and holding, buying and holding. But it's true, dude. You come out on top for sure. We needed a break at that 350 mark on it, dude. 350 would be freaking nuts, TMB. Dude, that would be nuts. Just join the chat. So is everything I own up? 808 Bear? I don't know, man. I don't know. What's your opinion on Ondo coin? I think Ondo's good, man. I think Ondo's good. Lost hundreds. Yeah. There's a lot of people that have lost a lot of money, but it'll come back. The only time you're going to lose is if you sell right now. The only people that are losing right now are the people that have sold their positions, or they're forced to because they leverage trade, right? So 220.27 is actually a pretty good. You can see right here, that's a pretty good hard. That's a right now at this 23 marker right here. This is a lot of resistance we're going to hit here at 23. I was just looking at that when I was talking about this 23 mark is going to be hard to hit. But once you get past this 23 into the 24 marker, not a lot of resistance, dude, until you get back up to this 29 marker. Look at that, dude. Not a lot of resistance right here at this 27 marker, dude. I wonder where the let's go look at let's actually look at liquidations right now. Unrealized. We all did it. But made thousands. I lost hundreds, but made thousands. That's a good way. I love it. That's awesome, dude. Let's see here. So yeah, shorts are, look at that, dude. Shorts are starting to flip, dude. Shorts, 74 million shorts getting wrecked in 12 hours. 24 hour for the shorts is 228. So yeah, the shorts are starting to get wrecked now. That's pretty crazy. Let's go to the liquidation chart here. Boom. Oops, liquidation map. Sorry. Yeah, liquidations are definitely how. Holy shit, dude. Look at the shorts over here. Just getting. Damn. Okay. I was not expecting that. Let's see what XRP looks like. Yeah, dude, we gotta build through a pretty big wall. Actually, not, dude. The wall for that is not until we get to about roughly. Dude, there's really not. I mean, yeah, probably close to. It's probably gonna be close to like 25. 225 is gonna be hard. I mean, if we can get through 225, dude, and liquidate all this, we got free run, dude. Holy crap. Look at that, dude. There's not a whole lot over here. I guess there is. There's 41 million, 40 million, but I mean, like, dude, look at the numbers over here. It's pretty good, dude. We'll see if we can get through that. That'd be nice. Let's see. Do they have HBAR on here? I don't think I've ever looked at HBAR. They got Trump on here. HBAR. Let's see where HBARs are at. Damn, there's not a lot of shorts, dude. 204, dude. Barely any shorts. There's barely any shorts for HBAR. Damn, dude. HBAR could keep running, bro. We'll see. There's definitely some resistance here at 23. Like, no questions asked. Definitely some resistance here. It will go to 175 before 230. We'll see. We'll definitely see. Is at 220 now. Yeah, 220. 225 is going to be where we hit a little bit of a hurdle here. This will be definitely probably a big sell wall. I actually haven't looked at sell walls here. Let's look at Coinbase here real quick. Oops, Coinbase. Let's look at XRP. Yeah, dude, 225. Tell you the truth, there's really not. I mean, a little bit, dude. 23, 225. I mean, that's not that big of a buy of a sell wall, dude. Damn. Okay, I was expecting it to be a bigger sell wall than that. H bar. I mean, yeah, the sell wall is at 223. Yeah, you can see 223.4 is a pretty big sell wall. We're talking roughly $1 million on Coinbase, so that's pretty good. Yeah, we'll see how that one comes out. 221, dude. 221. All right, all right, all right. XRP 221. We're building out nicely right now. Okay, let's get that 225, baby. 225. That's kind of our marker right now, dude. Zelensky got liquidated. Yeah, I'd say that he did. I'd say that he did. Not to be political, but I'd definitely say Zelensky got liquidated today. That's for sure, dude. Regardless of whatever side of the aisle you sit on, dude, but Zelensky did get liquidated. Man, I hope so. That way I can buy more. Yeah, yeah. Mind a Pepe. Yeah, I don't know anything about Mind a Pepe. Leverage trading is a scam. It kind of looks like it, right? Especially after seeing what Bybit did to everyone. Bybit straight just hacked everyone, dude. December 2nd, 2024 went from 20 cents to 31 for HBAR. Yeah, that's pretty good. Set the parameters at 218 to 226. Nice. HBAR 23. Yeah, HBAR sitting around this 23 marker. 225 will be a number. Let's see where Bitcoin's even running right now, dude. Let's get this out of here. Bitcoin is running nicely right now, dude. Bitcoin's running nicely. So so this 80,441 marker was the call that was the floor that we called back in January 9th of 2025. That's crazy, dude. When we went back and said, oh, okay, if this were to fall, we played the scenario out. If this were to fall, 28 to 30% from where it was, this would be roughly anywhere from an 80 to 78, 78, and it played right here. I mean, that went down below the 80,000 marker, but I mean, definitely hit that 80,000. That's kind of wild, dude. Thoughts on remaining XRP and escrow? I hope they just lock it up, bro, when it comes to the escrow stuff. Oh, thanks so much for the follows over here. Oh, that's shorts getting wrecked big time. Yeah, it's funny, right? Longs get wrecked, and then they're going to come back and they're going to wreck the shorts, dude. It's honestly, dude, these centralized exchanges are just liquidating all their customers, dude, regardless of how you look at it. It's just a game. They make money off of it, and they'll continue to do it, dude. They'll just keep reining in the transaction fees and the shorts. BTC also has similar cup and handle. Yeah, it's starting to work its way out right now for sure. We'll see what happens. You can see, yeah, he's talking about right here on the 1 hour. You can even look on the day chart. Day chart's still looking the same. You're saying as a cup and handle. Which one are you looking at? Market manipulation? Oh, without a doubt, market manipulation. If you had 5K to invest in, what project would you consider? I mean, I would have probably told you HBAR a while back. I probably would have told you HBAR. That's kind of where I've been heading. XRP, HBAR, XLM, Chainlink. Chainlink, I said it looks really juicy right now for me. Chainlink is definitely juicy for sure. So Ondo went back above. Yeah, Ondo's gone back above $1.03 right there. So that's a good move right there. But yeah, Chainlink looks a little juicy for me too. Changes always win unless they are hacked, allegedly. Yeah, and even if they get hacked, they still win, right? I mean, they were able to liquidate the market and take all their the liquidations for the longs and pay back all the people that gave them a 1-for-1 while they sat there and said they still had a 1-for-1 backing. It's just crazy to me. Okay, got to go next live trade intuition. Have a great rest of the show. You too, RS Miller. Appreciate you being here, man. Cup and handles across the board today. Bitcoin for part of the new Federal Reserve. We'll see. I was able to pick up HBAR at 19 cents today, but my buy for 185 on XRP didn't hit. Debating on what is a good buy right now. Gotcha. Yeah, there's some good ones out here. Like I said, the one that hasn't really budged a whole lot and gone in the green today is Chainlink, and Chainlink's a solid project. So like, I don't know, it's kind of crazy. MoonPay is okay. MoonPay's okay. Exchanges are going to get regulated. They need to, for sure. I've been calling for regulation on exchanges since the FTX fiasco. So, XLM predictions. What I say? I think I said I've kind of been a little. I said 90, 93, which would be basically a 300. We go up 300% from where it's at. So, I haven't really given the justice for this one, but I mean, I think my top for this was roughly about right around the $2.80. I think is my top for it when I did my math on it. But I think I said 93 for March is kind of where I was shooting, but that could have been a little robust. Yeah, Litecoin ETF this month along with HBAR, Noah. They basically said that HBAR and Litecoin are probably going to run in together, dude. HBAR's running, dude. 232 almost, man. Holy crap. 232. This thing is just running right now, dude. Yeah, that is nice, dude. We're back. We're almost up 20%. 30%. If you bought at 17.5, you're up 30% right now. If you were able to get that, if you were able to catch that drop right there, if you were able to get in here at 19, like I said, I got in here at 19.5. I'm up almost 20%, dude. That is so nice, dude. Looks at XLM. Yeah, XLM. Yeah. I just did. I just looked at XLM. Dude, XRP's running. XRP's running right now. Can't deny XRP. Let's get to that 25. That's really what I want to get to, is that 25 marker right here. I hope we can break that 25 marker today. HBAR is a long game. I got HBAR at 9 cents. Yeah, I got it at 4. But 7 cents. My bad. 7 cents, dude. I gotta go back and look. Yeah, I think I got it at 7 cents is where I bought it. Yeah, back over here. No, I should actually think I got it at 4 and 7. I think my average. I think my average is 7. Yeah, I think my average is 7. That's what it is. I bought it at 4. I bought it, yeah, about 5. I bought it at 7. So yeah, I think my average is like 7 or something like that. But yeah, HBAR I bought at 7, I think, on average. Still way ahead of the curve. Yeah, no matter how you look at it, dude. Got HBAR at 6.7. Dude, that's filthy, dude. Archer. XRP will challenge 230 tonight, then drop. You think it's going to hit 230? It might do. We have, I mean, right now, you look at the 4-hour on XRP and the 12-hour. 12-hour is working its way up right now. The 4-hour is already up. The 4-hour is already peaking up here. And then the 12-hour is working its way up right here. So, I mean, that's good. The day chart is obviously just hit rock bottom. The weekly charts hit rock bottom, which is what you want to see, especially if we're going to have a rally. So, I know a lot of people are calling us to go down further, but I don't know, man. I'm pretty bullish right now. maybe it's just today. Maybe I'm just bullish today. 15x on SUI. Yeah. I think there's going to be a major crash right before Trump confirms no tax on crypto. Maybe, I don't know. Saturday, Sunday dip a possibility. So mad I wasn't able to throw in any money. Yeah, a lot of people, Cameron, were tapped out, right? This is a dead cat bounce. This could be what you call a dead cat bounce right there, for sure. That was definitely a dead cat bounce for XRP. For sure. Would you consider HBAR? Would you consider HBAR that is still selling for pennies the next XRP? I mean, I think they have a really good shot at doing some really good things. I already said that they're going to be they'll be a top 10 crypto. Dude, HBAR is freaking running, dude. Holy shit. We're going to hit 24, dude. This thing is rallying right now, dude. Dude, this is cool. It's cool to see this. This is running really good right now. HBAR is just absolutely sending. But yeah, I think it's going to do. I've already said I think HBAR is the next top 10 crypto. I've been saying that for a while. What's up, Queef? Crypto Summit on 7th, White House. Pay attention. All major CEOs invited. Yeah, I'm with you, dude. HBAR 24 cents, dude. This thing is rallying right now, dude. Holy crap. 235 right now. This thing is just continually climbing. Bitcoin ETF outflow going into LTC. Maybe some, yeah. Maybe some. Is definitely going to go in. I think a lot of these institutions are selling their position, they're taking profits off of BTC and Ethereum. I think they're going to use it to buy up the next ETFs, whether that's HBAR, Litecoin, XRP. I think that's kind of where we're at. But they're saying that they're hedging that Litecoin and HBAR are the next ETFs. So Yeah, we just started a new hour. We just started the new hour for HBAR right here. So it's obviously fluctuating right now. New hour just came in. And I think 4 hour came in just a little bit ago. What was the last 4 hour? Next 4 hour is going to be right around. Yeah, so the we just came in this last hour. This last hour was great, dude. Holy crap. The last hour was great. This thing is dude. HBAR sending, bro. What's your buy zone for HBAR XRP? I'm going to my buy zone was right here. 19.5, dude, was my buy zone. 20 cents was a buy zone and 19.5 was the other buy zone. Those are my two buy zones. So it's definitely past my buy zones. Now again, we probably have to pull we could probably pull a fib in here now. Let's actually do we could pull a fib in here. Let's do let's actually pull a little. Let's have some fun here. Let's do let's go. I don't know if I like that fib. I don't know if I like that fib. Might have to do it the other way. I don't know if I like that. Let's do yeah, it's gonna be hard to really judge this. Technically it's still in a buy zone. It's still in a buy zone based off of the fib, the fib extension right here. If you do it based off of where I put it and where it's at, you could do it off of here and here. But yeah, it's still technically. It had a pretty deep decline here, but yeah, it's technically in a buy zone right now for sure, based off the fib. So take it for what it is. Technically, it's there. And I want to share my pie. We got HBAR going up to 15 million. Started red, but it's pumping green now. Yeah, it's looking good, dude. 50x tonight. I don't know about that. I appreciate that. Picked up 5,000 last night on 19 cents. Hell yeah, dude. J Wine, that's badass. Just here looking at the charts and looking amazing. Wish I would have bought more last night. And you, I wish I would have bought more last night as well. I got 19.5, but yeah, you kind of wish you got more, but it is what it is. So looks like there's a little bit of a retracement coming in this last hour. That's coming down hot. It's probably going to fill this little fair value gap right here. Hit some resistance here at a 23.5, which is probably a good little even sell zone. Green rockets on the top. Yeah. So HBAR just flipped Chainlink and is about to flip Litecoin. Is it really? Damn, I haven't looked. Is it dude, damn, it is. It's ranked 12. Holy crap, dude. Ranked number 12, bro. Dude, look at that. And to get into the top 10, you gotta go up 100x. Or sorry, you gotta go up 100%. It's at 9.6 billion market cap. Tron is sitting at a 20 billion market cap. So even to get in the top 10, you gotta do a substantial amount. So Litecoin and HBAR being the next potential ETFs, they're hovering right there, dude. And if they do get that ETF, they're definitely both going to the top 10. I don't think there's any question about that. XRP soon. Yeah, XRP is looking pretty good right now. Dude, HBAR is up 22%. That might be the top gainer in the top 100. 22 official Trump's booming right now. 23 Celestia is at 23. That's pretty good. Damn. Yeah, so that's definitely up there, man. Dude, for being a top 12 crypto, being up 22%, that's filthy. Hell yeah, that's badass. Hex is up 88% today. Swift coin target. I don't own any Swift, dude. Hex is killing it. That's cool, man. Good for Hex. Good for Hex. Hexagons needs some relief, dude, for sure. Toshi meme on Coinbase. Brian Armstrong meme named it after his cat. Really? That's crazy. Have a good night, Austin, y'all. I'm always lurking in the background. Appreciate you, Arlike. Appreciate you being here, man. Always have some cash for the dibs. Hell yeah, Seiko. Polygon is a square. I like circles. I randomly woke up in the middle of the night last night and saw XRP under $2. I bought the good amount. Hell yeah, Billy. Love it, dude. Love it. Yeah, we're dipping. We're dipping now. It definitely hit some resistance right there. Gosh, dang. Yo, what's up, John? Good to see you, buddy. The heck has Tron done anyway? Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot, dude. Man, probably tomorrow night. Yeah. So I just woke up at 1 and didn't pull the trigger. Yeah, I woke up last night too, just to look at the. Sometimes you wake up and just look at your. Does anyone just like wake up and roll over and like first look at Coinbase or look at their wallet? Like, dude, that's me, dude. Scooped up that chain link last night. Hell yeah, dude. Some think Hello Labs will reach $5. XCN is XCN killing it right now. XCN's up. Yeah, it's up a little bit. I got paid today. I wanted to pull back some. Oh, nice, dude. Every night. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, Lloyd. Every night. I'm with you, dude. Every night. Oh, yeah, Conrad, I'm over here. Yeah, hell yeah, dude. Every night I do the same thing. I wake up and I'm like, first thing I do, grab my phone. I'm like, all right, I got to check. I probably do it a couple times a night. Every day. And dude, I'm with you, Grab Gravy. I do like, when I get the notification that's like screen time, it's like, Coinbase is up there. Coinbase, and so is SafePal Wallet. Uh, Good Friday night, A team. Hopefully, we will get good news tomorrow as well. Hell yeah, Eric Bev. What's up, bud? BTM meme coin to the moon. Are you going to keep going live on TikTok? As long as I don't get flagged down, yeah. I got they gave me strikes for streaming the charts, and so I just didn't want to lose the channel, so I just stopped streaming, and that's why. So now that the strikes are like they clean the strikes away, so I got no strikes on the channel. So I was like, I'll go live now and see what happens. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get a who knows what's gonna happen here. TikTok's been crazy with that kind of stuff. The bull run gives us red eye, dude, for sure, Milton. Like no, like just 100%, 100%, dude. Chart checking is my addiction too. Yeah, chart checking is my big one too, for sure. 4 waves is a pullback. 5 waves will be complete. You think Polygon is a dead project? I'm not big into Polygon right now, Slayer. I'm gonna be honest with you. I used to be big into Polygon, Matic, and then they just kind of fell off the map, and I haven't looked back. You got to put not financial advice on the screen. Oh, really? Where do you even put that? Where do you put non financial advice on the screen? Oh, you're talking like pin it. You're talking like pin it, Tofu. What do you think about Hello Labs? I don't know anything about Hello Labs, dude. Best Buy right now. Depends on what you're looking for, Chris. Are you looking for like when you say Best Buy? Like, what are you trying to look for? Obviously, you're trying to look for like to make money. I get that, but like, what are you trying to like? Are you invested in like? I guess I'm trying to ask what are you looking to invest in? HBAR just passed Litecoin. Yeah, we saw that, Brandon. That's pretty crazy, right? Oh, did it just pass HBAR or Litecoin? No, did it really? Oh shit, it did, dude. Number 11 now, bro. It's hovering around there, right? I think it's bouncing back and forth, but dude, that's crazy. Ranked number 11 now. Look at the volume coming in for HBAR though. $1.6 billion for HBAR and 600 million for Hedera. Or sorry, for Litecoin was 1.6, and then Hedera is sitting here at dude, that's crazy. That's pretty crazy, dude. Story IP has been a pretty solid. Yeah, I would agree. Story. I wish I would have bought some, dude. I watch in fear, trying to stay positive. Yeah, and TikTok anywhere. I was like, okay, I gotcha. I'm loaded up on all altcoins. Just curious what to grab right now. Thinking more HBAR. Yeah, HBAR is pretty solid, dude. I mean, HBAR has been on a massive rally. I was thinking more like Link right now because Link's kind of been like I was just saying. I mean, it still hasn't really quite got out of the dip that it's been in right here. I mean, this is a solid one right here, but I mean, that's kind of the one where I was at for the top one was Link, maybe an XLM, but those are starting to rally out pretty good right now too. So it's tough to say, man. Tough to say. These are all things are, when the market comes back, dude, it's really hard to judge which ones to put to move into. BT dominance is about to go down. Let's actually take a look at the BT dominance. Where is my BT dominance? Oh, I must have took it off. All right, let's go back up here. Let's take a look. Yeah, BT dominance is pretty flat. Let's actually look at it this way. Oops. Yeah, it's kind of flat looking for the most part. It's definitely going up right there. The Bitcoin dominance right there. It's definitely going up over the last hour, which is kind of why this is probably going down. But the last 4 hours, oh, it's kind of weird. They're both going up right now. Maybe because it's dipped so much. Like I said, this is the kind of crazy chart right here. Well, this was nuts too to see how much money pumped into the markets. But this right here shows you how oversold Bitcoin is. I mean, it's down to low. It's some of the lowest it's ever been, right? I mean, the last time it was this low was back in, probably back way before the bull run in 2021. July 2021 was this low. I think it's actually lower than here and here. So, I mean, this is pretty damn low. I'm thinking we will get another big dip in the next few days. Yeah, you're probably not the only one saying that. Oz, do you list out anywhere the different sites you reference to do analysis, CoinMarketCap, CoinGlass? Those are kind of like where I'm at. I use cryptonews.net for a lot of stuff. I use CoinGlass. I use Dex Screener. I don't really do. I mean, that's kind of just where I stick. Yeah, CoinGlass is big. TradingView is big. And that's kind of Coinbase. Yeah, that's kind of what I stick to, dude. Nothing too crazy or fancy. I'm glad I don't know how to futures trade with multipliers. Yeah, they'll catch it good, dude. Just a lot of positive news, dude. They've had Hedera this week. They have ETH Denver, and I think there's just a lot of positive things that's moving forward. I mean, like I said, the person for one of the people from Swift came out and talked about working with Hedera for Swift. There's just a lot of good things for Hedera. Oh man. Got the yawns coming in, dude. It's been a busy day. Been a busy day. What's the next XRP position, Austin? I mean, I'm kind of just riding this one out. I mean, the 225 and 220 were my buys. I haven't got back to the 225 buy yet. Even though I'm above my average, I still want to get above the 225. Get my way out of that one would be nice. But yeah, my average is sitting okay, but it was 225 and $2, and I'm probably going to keep those here. So. Swift, the thing that XRP is trying to replace. I think they're just trying to do their own thing. I don't know if they're trying to replace Swift. I don't think Swift can be replaced, but I definitely think that XRP could probably compete for sure. I think that's their goal, is to compete. And it's okay. I think that we should compete. So you're about to see money come off the sidelines. Yeah, I think so. For people asking about HBAR is pumping because partnership with Swift and ETF announcement possibly very soon. Yeah, don't forget. Yeah, Victor, thanks for saying that. And the ETFs is obviously big. Is this a fake pump? I hope not. I hope not. I hope we're sitting something like this right here. Right here, we had this fake out right here. We had a nice little fake out right here, and then we just rally up, dude. Just something like this. We went from a $25 billion market cap all the way up to a $560 billion market cap in 2017. So I mean, that's constantly, what is that? That's like almost. I mean, that's almost like a 10, dude. Like, I don't know if we'll get to that level, because trillion, when you talk about trillions is so much more money than billions. But yeah, even if we were to double the market cap of where we're at right now at 2, and we get to 4, or even like 5 or 6 would be crazy. Even 8 would be crazy, but that's a lot of money coming in. You think we'll see the Bitcoin dominance below the? Yeah. I mean, that's the only way altcoin season is going to happen, is if we see Bitcoin dominance drop like that. So, and again, that doesn't mean that Bitcoin is going to drop. It just means that that's kind of where it's at. I started going down at 12:30 Michigan time last night. What's up, B. Miller? Good to see you, buddy. So much volatility in the markets. We need some SEC news. I'm with you, bro. I'm 100% with you on that. No questions asked there, dude. But yeah, HBAR is coming down just a little bit over the last hour. Oh, I'm probably about to call it a night, man. I'm tired today, dude. Jeez. It's a Friday night and I'm exhausted. What total 3 looking like? What's total 3 looking like? What, James, when you say total 3, what do you? I don't know what you mean. We are on the banana curve. I'm going to cave into FOMO while it's pumping. Doge on Mars meme will be good. Yeah, it could be good. HBAR is looking very good, but to buy right now. I was hoping Arrow Hyatt. I think it's important. I wish people would have bought when it was at 19. You know what I mean? Papa's in and stay up, dude. I would probably start buzzing. I would, dude. I'm such a pansy with that stuff. I'd probably start throwing up. I'm not gonna cave. I read it wrong. You said you're not gonna cave in to To FOMO. Okay, okay. All right, Milton. Have a good night, bro. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, but yeah, tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow I'm hoping that we have an update for Pure Wallet tomorrow. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. I was going to share that with you guys. Today was going to be an update, and they do have the update. So I'm hoping that the update comes here tomorrow for um, Google and for Apple. So I think that'd be cool to sort of see. Hopefully those come out, and it'll be the first time that you'll ever be able to trade Bitcoin in an offline setting, dude. No other wallet has that, so that'd be pretty badass to sort of test and see. Austin, where would you put 50K right now? Oof, dude, that's tough. I wish you would ask me that yesterday. I probably would have told you HBAR. Actually, I know I would have told you HBAR if you asked me 50K yesterday. I'd have told you HBAR for sure. You know what I mean? I still think HBAR. I mean, dude, search for total 3 in crypto. Thanks so much. I don't know what that I'm confused. Maybe I'm reading that wrong, dude. Do you stream 2 times a day? Sometimes Slayer, yeah. Sometimes, yeah. I still got to learn how to use a wallet. Yeah. You still got to learn how to use wallets. I mean, yeah, they're really I mean, they could be nerve-wracking, but I mean, as soon as you total 3, is that like a token called Total 3? Am I confusing that? The ticker Total 3. Oh, ticker Total 3. Oh, I'm like, what is this Total 3? Is that a meme coin, dude? I'm not pulling up no meme coin. James, you crazy, bro. Thanks for your lives. It really helps during these times. No problem, Chris. I appreciate you guys being here. Can we look at PulseX Daily Bubble? Helium Mobile? Nah. Helium Mobile is okay. Like I said, I actually own a little bit of Helium Mobile, but I've kind of ventured away from there. I said I'm kind of I'm sitting there holding it, but I mean like we'll have to see what happens. It's kind of been a rough struggle. No meme coin. Let's create a team token. No way. No, no, no. Okay, I don't even know what it is. Before I go, hit that like button. Appreciate you, Milton. It's really hard for me on the weekends to make money when the market is recovering because everything is so slow. Yeah, I agree. No, it's not a meme coin, bro. Total 3 is how much is going into ETH, and BTC has nothing to do with the meme coins. Oh, okay. Interesting. I don't know. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay. What's up, Trent? Got Trent in the house here, dude. Aren't you supposed to be in bed, bro? Aren't you in New York right now? How far is the bottom of liquidation for the exchanges? When will they reverse their direction? I mean, I hope we start buying here soon, dude. Yeah, appreciate that, dude. Yeah, no problem. The daily bubble. I hate the daily bubble thing, dude. I hate the daily bubble stuff. How much control do institutions have in this bull run? A lot of control. A lot of control. I mean, you saw that come through. I mean, we had massive sell-offs with institutions, dude. So, um, 72,000 to 82,000. You think that's where it's going to go, Austin? I think that's where it's going to go. The weekend is always different than the week. It is. It is. It definitely is, dude. It's definitely the weekend. The weekend can be a little can be boring sometimes. Where's the Pure Wallet link? Old Man Jenkins, the Pure Wallet link is right here. I'll give you the Pure Wallet link. Yeah, so obviously if there's anyone that wants to join into a pre-sale, obviously the Pure Wallet link, the Pure Wallet token's obviously on a pre-sale right now, which is again going towards Pure Wallet here. We have about 1 day, 11 hours, and 40 minutes to get it at 4 cents 6. And it's you have to use ETH to get into the Pure Wallet. I did add that to Pure Wallet 2 here. I'll pin it to the top just for anyone that wants to look at it. Actually, tell you, I don't know if I can pin. Can I pin? Oh, that's weird. Oh yeah, I got to go over here to pin. That's so weird to me, dude, that I had to do that. Pin message. There you go. XCN. Yeah. Yeah, and ETH. Yeah, you got to use ETH for the Pure Wallet pre-sale. Anyone? Yeah, you got to use ETH. I think that's what you're saying, East Coast. Maybe not. Maybe you were saying it's something else. I don't know. Never been hacked. It's never been hacked. What's never been hacked, Austin? It's about the security that token Bitcoin offers. Not buying SEC. And TradingView, type in total 3. You can see it's a good extra to add to your tools. Been learning about it. Oh, total 3. You're talking, let's see here. You're talking, go here to indicators and type in total 3. Total 3. Or are you talking up here into your, into here, total 3? Or are you talking to search it, total 3? It's probably under crypto. Oh, right here. Crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and what's the other one? Gotcha. I think it was. Oh, I see what you're saying. Excluded. So it's everything excluding those. Is that what you're saying? Where the hell did it go? That was weird. It just like disappeared. I get what you're saying now, dude. Total right there. 2.79 million. It's not too bad. That's not too bad. Hey Austin, you should go to soccer this weekend. I do. Sunday I got soccer. Bitcoin was actually hacked back in 2010. Total 3 is the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, essentially all altcoins. Yeah, so 2.7. I get what you're saying now, dude. It took me a second to realize what you were talking about. I was like, what are we talking about? And TradingView, yeah, I get it now, James. It took me a second. I think Pure needs more advertisement. It could go down when it launches or up. We'll see. Yeah, I think the cool part is they're actually advertising pretty good, dude. Pure Wallet's done a good job of advertising on like Dex tools, on Etherscan. They're getting out there. Like I said, their marketing is just sort of kind of started, dude, and they've actually got some pretty good traction marketing out here on these on Dex tools and stuff like that. You can see like these little ads up here. They're doing pretty good with. Let's just do like Wrapped ETH here. They're obviously getting into some of these ads down here where it's over here. I don't know. There's some other ads like on the phone and stuff like that. They've actually done pretty good on their advertisement. They're going to start going out there. They got a couple other things that they're working on. But I mean, I think for Pure Wallet, they just really started, dude. You buy the Pure Wallet. Are the tokens like coins giving you to stake in it? Yeah. Joe G, they're tokens. So if you buy the Pure Wallet token, it gives you again, you can go down over here and you can see like what it brings for you. So again, if you're going to use a wallet, one of the cool things is that, like with this wallet, is one of the things I really push for is to like where we don't have any fees, right? So if you own a token, or you hold a token, you should pay less fees in a wallet. Because again, if you're on the decentralized side of things, you pay a lot of fees in the wallet. They take fees all the time from you when you do swaps, when you do exchanges, when you do all that kind of stuff. They take fees from you. So the goal here is to be able to reduce those transaction fees because you're using the wallet. So if you have the token, then you're benefiting from it holding the token if you're going to use the wallet. And then on top of that, you're going to be able to, you're going to have the token to be able to do the smart mining. So if you're into mining and stuff like that, then you got to have the token to be able to stake the token to be able to do the mining, because you're going to receive your rewards in Pure Coin. So, there's a lot of things that are going to happen here. Pure just doesn't seem to be going up, but maybe the market drag. Thanks, Austin. You're talking about the Pure token? It's going to, yeah, I'll continue to go up, dude. I need a cold wallet recommendation. Well, hopefully here soon when the Pure Wallet opens up. Right now, you can actually store ETH on this ETH, and hopefully Bitcoin coming here soon. You'll be able to store that on the Pure Wallet from a cold storage standpoint. But the wallet that I use right now is definitely Ledger. Sup A team, what's going on here? Yeah. If you know, you know. I've only been watching you on YouTube. Good to see you back on TikTok. What's up, Ryan? Good to see you, man. Appreciate you hanging in there. Austin, is XRP going to drop tomorrow with the first of the month? We'll see, dude. I mean, they already unlocked the tokens right now, I think. So how do you buy Pure Wallet token? Just go to purewallet.ai. I don't know if I can actually type in here or not. It's purewallet.ai is the website. So go to, I wish I could actually type. I don't know if I can actually type in here. So here, I'll flip my camera. And so it's like right up here. You see that? purewallet.ai. You can type that into your web page, and then yeah, just link your just go over here and actually link your right up here. You can actually see, just connect your wallet right here, and it's an ETH, so you got to buy an ETH. So just connect your MetaMask wallet right here, and then it'll show you how much your tokens connected. So I bought roughly, I don't know, almost $6,000 in tokens, because I like the project. I kind of dig that kind of like what it's trying to do here. Plus, it gets you into a new project, and on top of that, like I said, I kind of dig the decentralization of it. Plus, if you're going to be doing the mining and stuff like that, it's something that you'll need. BTC fans, it's not Bitcoin. Tangem was good. Yeah, Tangem's good for HBAR for sure. Tangem is good. How do I donate or give a super chat to you? I think there's like a little button down there, I think. When they transferred Bitcoin to Ethereum. All right, Predator, everyone, good night to you too, dude. Just bought an ETH worth of pure wallet token. Did you really, dude? Damn, Joseph coming in hot with an ETH. With an ETH, bro. Damn. Love your content. I've only been buying XRP the past 3 months. I only have 1,500. Friends of mine told me to keep buying until I had $4. Wish I knew about it a few years ago. Yeah, bipolar donkey, dude. I'm with you, dude. I mean, hey, dude, you got to start somewhere. Damn, you bought an ETH, Joseph? Dude, that's freaking filthy, bro. Then that means that there's a leaderboard out here too. So if you're buying right now, I mean, honestly, if you're buying right now, dude, there's a leaderboard out here. If you want to get extra tokens and be a part of this, you got 4 days to just by buying and meeting this. You got to have 5,000 minimum purchase of 5,000 pure wallet tokens. So I don't know what that actually equates to, but you got to have a minimum of 5,000 and be in the top 10 here to be able to be a part of the 50,000 pure wallet token. That you'll get gifted basically for your purchase and being a part of this this whole giveaway right here. So kind of a cool thing they're giving back to that. I wish they would have done this before I bought. I wish they did it after I bought. So you got to pick up my daughter from dance. Good night. Okay, all right, Lloyd, take it easy, buddy. I'm on my way right now. Hell yeah, dude. My wife gave birth to our first son a few days ago. Dude, congrats, bro. We named him Coinbase. I don't know about that. But if you really did have a son or a kid, dude, your first son, congrats on that, man. That is a super exciting thing. Isn't Pi crashing? I don't know, man. That's a good question. Doug, thanks so much for gifting 1 membership to the A team. If Doug gets you a membership, please say thank you to him. And that one person, welcome. Awesome. Real quick question. You said earlier XRP going to $30 in 3 years. I didn't hear how you got the hype. Did some news come out? No, we were talking about it. We were XRP alert or XRP was it alert? And I were just talking about it. If he said that I was a little bit low on that. He thought so we were just talking about the $30 in 3 years, which would be 100x. 5,000 pure is $200, Austin. Okay, so there you go. So $200 to get potentially you got to spend $200. But it looks like some other people bought roughly 16,000 so far in this current cycle. The number 10 ranked has at 16,000. So they basically bought $600, right? About $700 worth to get in the top 10 here. But you'll share in the pot of 50,000 pure wallet tokens. And there's an algorithm based on how many tokens you hold that gets you some of those. But I mean, so obviously if this ends here, these people up here will get more of the pot than the people down here, obviously. So yeah, it's kind of a nice little kickback if you like that kind of stuff, dude. If you're going to be, getting into a pre-sale, and taking advantage of these little pools right here are good. I wish that they did this after I purchased or before I purchased, but it is what it is. Maybe I'll have to buy some more. Why do you think the SEC is dragging their feet? Good question. I don't know, man. Ever looked into XPR or I don't know if that was a joke or not. How do you think Crow will perform? It's tough, man. Crow's kind of rough for me, dude. I never, I kind of lost my faith in Crow, to be honest with you. I think they still have a good chance of doing well. But it's just kind of crazy. They were one of my biggest losses in the bear market, dude, to be honest with you. I just haven't ever touched it again. Nothing against them. Just never touched it again. Jay just popped on. Oh my god, dude. Thanks for the subs. Keeping a relay team. I'll burn everything. Thanks so much, man. How do you think the market's gonna go down again tonight? I hope not. I mean, so far it's starting to work its way down just slightly, but not too bad. Well, I think the SEC, I'm on a wide awake. Something must be going on. I have psychic radar. 6,500 for you is 162,500. Okay. That's not too bad, Jimmy. That's not too bad then. No joke. XPR is real. XPR. You high roller. The weekend will probably dip. I hope not. I hope we just rally through this weekend, dude. Just have just a fat green candle through this weekend. So, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna probably hop off here, dude. I've been on for 2 hours. I'll be back on tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm hoping that the Pure Wallet has an update, which would be fantastic, because then I can officially say that you can now send Bitcoin in an offline setting, which is badass. No other wallet has that. No other wallet will have it. And super, super interesting on how that will all play out. So I'm hoping that actually happens tomorrow. We'll get that update both on Google and both on Google and iOS, and we'll be able to then I'll be out here really talking about it, because I think that's a super cool thing to do. You can do it with ETH right now, but having it with Bitcoin is even cooler. Run up my post, please. I'm gonna comp. So yeah, with all that, make sure you guys throw some dudes up in the chat here. Appreciate you guys a ton. Thank you guys so much for joining tonight and kicking it with me for the last couple of hours. I do appreciate it a ton. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your evening. Again, I'll be back on here tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to talk more about crypto and kick it with you guys. So with all that, love you guys a ton. We're out. Peace out, everyone. Dudes in the chat.